Watcher Vision 360, a real-time shoplifting detection solution. Receive real-time alerts when theft or suspicious behaviors are detected. Advanced artificial intelligence software analyzes CCTV video streams in real time to identify shoplifting such as product concealment in jackets, backpacks, purses, pants, and even strollers. Product tampering and consumption will also trigger an alert. When shoplifting or suspicious behavior is detected, video alerts are sent out to assigned users within about 15 to 20 seconds. Users receive a short video clip right to their smartphone or computer. There is no limit to the number of users that can be sent this data. This alert allows store personnel to respond accordingly and select the video segment and identify if a theft occurred, false alarm, or if product was recovered, even put in the amount of the loss or the prevention, and at the end of the month receive a report showing how much theft was prevented. Users all collaborate in real time using the same data, preventing multiple users having to review the same feed. Users are catching and stopping shoplifting before the shoplifters even leave that particular aisle due to the real-time notifications sent to the user's cell phones and computers. Watcher Vision 360, your new digital security guard. Contact us today for a full demonstration and pricing.